Hey guys, this is Jedi Sal with Purple Traders. I wanted to show you one of my trades for today. Um, First, I wanted to show you these features. Today is the first day of the month, so I can show you some numbers without freaking anybody out. So I want to show you this feature where I say high P&L. So I click that on the software and it will hide all the P&Ls. So now, so now it just shows winner or loser, and if you go to the data analysis here on the goals, it does the same. It just only shows percentages, stuff like that. Anyways, let's go to the trading. Oh man, everybody's talking about this one. Guilt. Uh, Once again, that strategy I used last last hour, last 30, 20 minutes of the day. It seems to be working for me. So I wanna explain it. I hit pretty much. I took partials, and I got to 3 to 1, but I actually hit R4 or more. Actually, I mean, it hit more than R4. Right now it's like R10 right now after market, but because I only have up to R4 in my database, so I don't have that uh, on my database. Anyway, so let me show you what I saw and how I trade this thing. So everybody saw the market dumping, 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 dumping. So around here it keeps dumping, messing around. But out of all the trades from the guys from this morning, Verbal Traders, the guys suggestions, out of all the trades, they all were dumping except this one. This one it keeps holding this level, even though the SPY was like going down, going down, going down. This one just keeps holding this level. Then I was like, okay, let's wait until the end of the day, see what's going on, right? So then I saw this. Uh, I mean, let me draw some here. Even though, like I say, even though the SPY right here, this time, it was like 230 or so. Even though the SPY keeps dumping, this thing was just holding this level right here on yellow. And I was like, okay, this is the trade that I'm gonna try to see if I can make the last hour, make sense. So um, I started using my strategy: buy 50% and then buy the other 50 when I get confirmed. So I did my calculations on the software and I decided to enter. After I saw this hammer and then a couple hammers here, I decided to enter whatever price was there, just 50%. So my stop was supposed to be right there on yellow, on the yellow line, but like I said before, if you only buy 50%, then your stop is gonna be double that. So your stop is gonna be like way over here. So at that point, I can raise my stop to the yellow line or a little couple cents below. So if I get a stop, I only lose half of my risk. So no big deal, right? But if I don't get a stop and I get confirmed, then I will most likely be right about the trade and make some money. So I noticed this tiny line right here. These three candles were forming this kind of top, and I decided to put my second trade, my second addition, my 50% extra there. So what I do is I place a stop limit order. So then if it hit that number, it buys the next 50. My software calculates the stop loss like that, and then it places the stop loss right there. Uh, right, it changes the stop loss from 115 to 233 or some. I don't know why this is. I think this is from a different order. Anyway, so I was in at that point, and then after that, it was like, all right, the SPY started popping up at that point. So I'm pretty content about that because SPY is agreeing with my decision. So the SPY is going up. This thing started popping up. It hit the VWAP, which is my line right there. That's my VWAP, and I decided to take that was like R1 or so, a little bit more than R1. So I decided to take a quarter only. The reason why is because once again it's the end of the day, and if you follow my videos before, here's a channel, and it's forming lower highs, lower highs. So I am thinking I'm going all the way in, man. I'm like, this thing's gonna pop, and if it pops, I make money. If not, I make whatever a quarter I did already. Because at that point, my stop that was right there, I usually move it. When I see something like that, I usually move it like right there. So then, if it goes below that, I get out. I usually do that. So then, next thing I know, the guys were talking about it. I called it in the chat room. I say, guild is going up when it was like right there. And then, like 10 seconds later, it just boom, it popped. And it hit R3 like right away. Like in less than 2 seconds, I was already R3. And obviously, I'm pretty happy. So I started taking partials, like partial right there. I think I took a quarter, and then I took another quarter, and then I took half right here, and then I got out. I know I didn't get out. I took another quarter. I don't can remember. I was very happy. I was taking partials. Then when I saw this kind of going down right here, this candle, that's when I decided to get out. So I got out right there, all my position at that point. And next thing I know, before like I got out right there, but then it just popped right there, and I was like, oh my god, it's always the case, but whatever. I'm very content with the day, so it's all good. Anyways, that's my review for today. Let me know if you got any questions. And like I said, this is one of my strategies. This is actually a combination of two strategies. One is the channel strategy that pops, it either goes down or it goes up at the end of the day. But it's also a triangle right here on the VWAP, which is my VWAP reversal triangle. So it's a combination of two strategies, and if you take them the right way, you could make some money. Anyways, see you guys later.